very careful. Don't get it in her face.
She's crying.
Yeah, do you know why she's crying? Because she's a little cold. So we're going to kind of quickly get through her bath. There we go. Now, let's wash her bottom. Whenever you wash her butt, you always take your sponge and you always go down. Okay? Always go down. Can you try it? Do you want to try it? Go ahead, clean her butt. No? Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. I thought you were going to change all her diapers. You're not going to change all her diapers? You're going to make Daddy do it? I'm telling you, these are the diapers you want to change because they don't stink yet. Look, where are you going? Don't be walking away. Look, she's trying to walk out of the bathtub. Look at all that hair on her back. Did Caleb have a lot of hair on his back?
He still got some.
Does he? Look on the back of his shirt. Oh my goodness, Caleb. Okay, give me your soapy hands again.
Like, I'm not going to do
Okay,
that.
wash your back. Can you wash your back for me? Rub your hands together. Wash your back.
Yeah, I guess that's why I was ready.
There you go. Good job. You want to wash your back a little bit? Okay, go ahead and put it on her back. Now I'll finish washing her butt. Y'all done? Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm going to rinse her off now, Mason, okay?
Y'all get good.
Okay, they're right there. Okay, Caleb, jump down off the chair. Because now you got to show her what a big boy you are. Come here. Caleb, come here.